freedom of our people fight for their freedom. And 1991 proclaimed its freedom within the border of the former British Somaliland Protectorate. We united our effort to rebuild our nation with democratic system of governance, will foster equity and justice for all citizens. Despite fulfilling all criteria of statehood, Somaliland remains unrecognized by the international community. This lack of recognition has blocked our nation's progress and prevented our aspiration for a brighter future for our people without terrorists or fundamentalists. In 2021, during our parliamentary election, I received unprecedented 20,000 votes from the secure my seat in the House of Representatives. I am from minority community, yet I received the most popular vote in the history of Somaliland.